what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Purvi and I'm usually doing fashion videos, DIY videos and beauty videos. If any of these things interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified first whenever I post any new video. So today's video is in collaboration with Bella Vita and I have their two products. The one is Bella Vita Vitamin C face wash with neem, coffee beans and mint. And the other one is Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to talk about is this Nicolips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. The quantity is 20 grams and some ingredients like shea butter, olive oil, veg wax, oat and walnut grits, vitamin E, beetroot extract and peppermint oil. So you can see all of these ingredients are totally natural, so this is very safe to use and it smells purely of strawberry. It has a sweet mild fragrance of strawberry. If I talk about its texture, the scrub is jelly and balm like consistency. It has very tiny and mild beads so that it's not harsh on lips whenever you apply. It also helps in gently exfoliating and smoothing your lips, softening your lips instantly. It just removes totally the dead skins from our lips. So how to apply? You just have to apply the scrub on your lips and massage into circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that just let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then just remove it off. So this is how you're going to apply. The most thing that I like about the scrub is it is made up of all natural ingredients, so this is not going to cause any harm to your lip. I got this scrub for 399 rupees and this is of 20 grams, so which is like quite fine that it's not very expensive, it is affordable. I will link it below in the description box if you want to check it out. So this is definitely a good and recommendable product. The next thing that I have is this Bella Vita Vitamin C face wash. As we all know how good vitamin C is for our skin. I mean, if I'm looking for the most important ingredient in my skincare routine, that is vitamin C. And vitamin C has many benefits for our skin. It helps in depigmentation and reducing blemishes, acne, scars or any kind of dark spots, patches, everything. And the most important thing that I like about this product is it has natural coffee beans into it. Also neem and mint, but it has natural coffee beans into it. Can you see these coffee beans at the bottom of this bottle? So yeah, this is the best thing that I like about this product. And again, it's all the ingredients are purely natural. It's made up of all natural organic herbal extracts. So along with depigmentation and removal of blemishes and acne scars, this product also helps in keeping your skin hydrated. It doesn't dries out, because the most important thing that I look for in all the face wash is after doing the face wash, the skin does not get very much dehydrated or very much dry. So this is not the case with this product. Like, it has almond oil and vitamin E and many such things which does not lets your skin dry, and it keeps your skin hydrated and nourished even after the face wash. This is also a good thing about this product. Okay, I got this product for 290. Its MRP is 399, but I got it for 290. You can find it on Amazon, there are discounts always. I will put the link in the description box below in case you just want to check it out. And its quantity is 225 ml for 290, which is pretty good. I mean, it's very reasonable price. The most key feature of Bella Vita is that mostly you see that all the organic products are mostly very expensive, but here it's not the case. It's made up of pure organic and natural ingredients, though it is not very much priced high. You can have a look at most such products on Amazon from Bella Vita. So these were the two that I wanted to share. I will link them below in the description box. Just check them out if you want to buy it. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope that this video has helped you out, and in case it has helped you out, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified first whenever I post any new video. So that's it. So I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Till then, bye. Take care.